Welcome class 4. Students, this is our first session of English literature. Today we will be learning textual part of English. The earth is the only world known so far to have life. There is nowhere else, at least in the near future, to which our species could migrate. Students, today's topic is very important because it is about our Mother Earth. Yes, our first chapter is The Fading Glory of the Earth. To fade means to become less strong or fresh. That means our earth is losing its beauty. And do you know why? Let's see the reasons behind this. Long, long ago, the earth was green and clean. It proudly carried and nurtured a number of trees. Nurtured means protected. This is very true, children. Many years back, there were so many trees on the earth. But after some time, someone invented machines to make life comfortable. The machines were used and liked by many. Here, the word invented means made something for the first time. It means we humans made different kinds of machines to make our life comfortable, like TV, refrigerator, vehicles, geyser, air conditioners, smartphones, different kitchen equipments, and so on. Man cannot live for a second without machines. However, we now realize that the earth gets warmer and has less natural beauty. The sun's ultraviolet rays reach the earth easily and damage her beauty. Let us understand this through these pictures. In the first picture, we can see that Earth has different layers. Sun's rays pass through these layers and reach the Earth. You all know that sun is a ball of fire. Its rays are very, very hot. If these rays do not pass through these layers, we cannot live on the earth. We all will get burnt. So, the ozone layer saves the earth by the sun's harsh rays. But due to a lot of use of machines, this ozone layer is becoming thin. So, sun's ultraviolet rays easily pass through it and reach the earth. So, we feel hotter. In the second picture, you can see what happens if the earth gets hotter. Our skin gets damaged due to heat. Similarly, plants and animals also find it difficult to live. This has also led to change in flora and fauna. Today, toxic materials are found everywhere. The pollutants are present in the air, water, and land. Now, students, flora means plants and fauna means animals. So, as the earth is getting hotter, plants and animals are badly affected. The word toxic means poisonous, something which is not good for your health. And pollutants means something that makes air, water, and land very dirty. Now, let us understand some facts about the earth. Number one, the temperature of the earth is increasing every year. That means earth is getting warmer day by day. Next, the amount of rainfall is getting less. Water is going to be more and more expensive in future. Here, the word expensive means costly, something for which you have to pay more. The increase in temperature kills many forms. Many animals and birds are getting extinct. Here, the word extinct means no longer existing. That means slowly the animals and birds are reducing in number and then they will disappear from the earth. It means we will not be able to see them again. You can see in the picture the animals which are already extinct. Now here is an activity that is given in your textbook. Predict the future of the earth by discussing past and present condition of the earth's natural beauty. Students, read this table carefully to understand past, present and future condition of the earth. Now moving further, let us see from where do we get toxic waste. Number 1, mobile sources. Here the word mobile means moving. That is, air is polluted by the smoke emitted from cars, buses, trucks, etc., which can move from one place to another. Next, stationary sources. Stationary means not moving or fixed. That is, pollution is increased by the waste or smoke coming from the factories, refineries, power plants situated at fixed places. Next is indoor sources. Air is polluted by many things used in our homes, like cleaning materials used to clean houses, chimneys used in the kitchen, dust on your furniture, pets' hair, cigarettes, and many more. Do you know, children? Cigarette has 4,000 types of chemicals in it, which is very harmful for human beings. The amount of pollution is increasing day by day, and this has led to the depletion of resources on the earth. In other words, we can say that the health of the earth and its life forms do not appear to be too good. Now let us discuss some more facts. People are exposed to toxic air pollutants in many ways that can pose health risks, such as number 1, breathing problems due to contaminated air. That means we cannot breathe comfortably and easily if the air is polluted. Second point, if we eat contaminated food products. Contaminated means impure or dirty food which is outdated or rotten. Next, drinking water contaminated by toxic waste. Toxic waste means the waste produced by factories in the form of harmful chemicals. If this waste gets mixed with water, then water also gets dirty. So it is harmful to drink such water. Now, here is one activity for you. You have to write a few eco-friendly words. That means you have to find out some words which are good for our climate or environment. Let's see some of them. Number 1, green. Number 2, clean. Number 3, renewable. Renewable means which will always be there, which is fully available in nature. For example, sun, wind. Number 4, reusable. It means an item which can be used again or more than once. For example, a cloth napkin. Children, after washing your hands, you use cloth napkin to wipe your hands, right? You don't use paper napkins. So that is called reusability. Number 5, recyclable. It means things which are made from waste materials. Recycling means to convert waste material and make things from them which can be used again. Students, you must have noticed this word behind your notebooks. It is written sometimes that this book is made from recyclable papers. Number 6, organic. It means things which are made naturally or without using any chemicals. Children, you must have heard about organic things like organic rice. It means that rice is grown in the fields without using any chemicals. Now, students, this lesson has many new words to learn. Try to read each and every word on your own and learn their spellings. Let me read for you once. Number 1, fading. 2, nurtured. 3, invented. 4, damage. 5, toxic. 6, temperature. 7, depletion. 8, resources. 9, contaminated. 10, chemicals. 11, flora. 12, fauna. 13, pollutants. 14, machines. 15, extinct. 16, pollution. Now, here are the meanings of a few hard words which I already discussed while explaining the chapter. Read them again. Now let's read some sentences made from the given words. Number 1, Nurture. Parents nurture their children. Number 2. Damage. The house was damaged in the storm. Number 3. Expensive. This dress is very expensive. Number 4. Contaminated. Some rivers are contaminated. This is the end of part 1 of the lesson. In the next session, we will continue with the chapter ahead. Till then, enjoy learning and grow more plants near your house. Thank you.